feel it every time you see me in. What's my favorite word? Why they gotta say it like short? You know.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
Dr. Ross and I are just working out for one of our roles that we're working on.
Exactly.
Let's move straight into our hot topics.
So for our first hot topic, we have 50 Cent reveals that he is no longer loving his privileged son, Marquise Jackson, after having to pay $1.3 million in child support. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
He's probably not mad at the son, Dr. Ross. He's mad at the scandalous woman who took the child support from him.
Exactly. I think 50 Cent just doesn't want to pay the money, and then that's why he's saying he doesn't know who this child is anymore.
But 50 Cent, you need to sit down. This is a thumbs down from us. You're not relevant.
Thumbs down.
Let's move into our next hot topic with the Rob Kardashian and the Kardashian family.
Exactly. So Rob Kardashian and Kris Jenner have now decided to start making hot sauce. What are your thoughts, Black King Sebastian? It's a little random, but
who knows? Maybe they were looking at the Wendy Williams and they said, if she loves the hot sauce so much, why don't we make some hot sauce for her tea? Give her the pow. But with the Rob Kardashian and the Jenners, contact Dr. Ross and I. We have some of the hot sauce, the Jamaican hot sauce that you're looking for. Hit us up. That's for you, Kylie Jenner. Let's move into our final hot topic with the Grammys.
So the Grammys, Black King Sebastian and I watched it last night. You know, a lot of fantastic artists came out and performed, did their little thing. And, you know, WAP was not eligible to win a Grammy, even though it ranked the highest a single has ever made for the streaming for the WAP music video. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Personally, I think that with the Grammys this year, most of the people who won were not deserving of it, but these were the people that people are seeing, so this is the best that's out right now. Because obviously, you don't see people like Clinton and the Too Short out, because they've already did their thing. They're relaxing now.
Exactly. That's why you got Kanye West saying he's the best creator that's ever lived, which we already know is a lie, a thumbs down.
That's right. You shouldn't have had all those kids, Kanye West.
Exactly, because now Kim is pulling the rug from underneath your feet and you didn't see it coming, Kanye.
That's right. These were all of our hot topics, but stay tuned for the Jamaican clothing line as well as the hair gel. We'll catch you guys on the next installment. That's for you, Kylie Jenner. We out. We'll catch you on the next installment. We'll catch you guys on the next installment.
Rose and Gold.